again, everybody. What's going on today in the tiny house build? Something that I'm not super comfortable with, but I'm going to try anyway. It's got to be done. You may notice the bathtub is out of the bathroom. And I've got some stuff laying in the bathroom floor here. Let me show you what I got. Okay, so I've got some PEX tubing, half inch. There it is. Hopefully 100 foot will be enough. So this is the last connection right here. I do like these little connections. You just put your little clamp piece. I'm out of these, by the way. This is the last two. Put this piece in, and you take your tool, open it all the way up, grab it, and squeeze it. And what it does is it crimps it down. Pretty good connection there too. So we'll also put one here. That way we've got our sink stubbed out. And then there, let me get a staple. And I've been using electrical staples, they seem to work. Now I don't know if there's anything wrong with that, but it's what I've been using. They just basically needs to hold it till the boards get up, so I mean it should be alright. Actually that should have went down a little farther, but oh well. Okay, so upstairs I've got a hot and cold ran. I don't have the little rings. I got the connectors, I just don't have the little crimp rings to go ahead and run my lines where I want them. I'm thinking I may want a sink maybe over here and a toilet over here or something like that. There's not going to be a bathtub or anything like that up here. It's just going to be a sink and a toilet. So it's just to keep you from having to run all the way downstairs in the middle of the night to use the bathroom. But let's go over the rest of the plumbing, what all I've got done. Okay, so you can see what all we got down here. The water will be coming in right down here. Runs up, tees off into the water heater, and back out of the water heater here. So now you got your hot and cold lines going. That will go up, over to there. That tees into these two lines, which are the bathtub lines and the toilet. And then one hot for the sink. I may tee off and run a cold up there too. But you can adjust right here, you can adjust the water heater. But anyway, those tee on across, and you can see the two pipes for the upstairs stubbed out there. They will be cut in and teed into those two lines. I don't have the little ring crimpers. And it comes on over here, through there, connects there, comes down, and there is the hot and cold for the sink. And that should be it for the incoming water. I've got to figure out my drains and stuff too, but that's got the water coming in. It's not too bad. And something else that I've added. There's an extra plug here and an extra plug down there that wasn't there before. You can see it just runs up and over and into there. And you can see the end of this is just hanging here. It's not hooked to anything. And that's because this wire is going to go to the inverter. So I've got this marked as solar. So this plug will run off solar power. And this plug over here will run off of solar power. That way, whenever they're going to plug something into solar power, it will be on either side here. And I may run another one over there, I don't know. But for right now, we've got AC solar plugs. Two of them anyway. I guess that's going to be about it for this video. Appreciate everybody watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.